Hello there. Today we're gonna be teaching you how to make a for loop. And what a for loop does, it basically, for an example, you want to make code like this. Oh, I need to repeat this 10 times and blah blah blah. Well, what if I told you you can easily not have to stress and easily do that by using a for loop? You just have to do for whatever and then equals I don't know, like 20. If you want to do 20 or something, we could say print. We could do that and it would work. Now the reason this works is because the for loop, the letter for, the word for indicates that you want to do a for loop, and then it'll follow the next thing it'll do, which is 1 to 20, which is already stated there. It says do 1 to 20, and then I tell them what to do. Print wobbly wiggly 20 times because I told it do it 1 to 20, and then I say after that, you end once you are done doing that command. Now we're gonna go test this. As you can see, it said wobbly wiggly x20, making it said 20 times. And yes, it's very useful in case you want to repeat commands and such. Now there is another thing that I would want to introduce to you. It's called a starter pack. Now what this does, you know the inventory? Well, for example, we get a sword. Okay, now we would want to wonder, hey, do I put this in the starter pack or not the starter pack? If you want to have it as an object in your inventory, just like any normal game, you would say yes. If you want this as decoration and is able to pick up, then click no. For me, it would be the inventory. Now, in my inventory, I'll have this thing of the sword. I can easily kill the sword. This can be used to kill many people, and um, it does reload and spam. So what the starter pack does, it is basically just an inventory. And if you want to know more useful stuff, um, we could do something like this. Um, we could also learn how to repeat an object. Let's say local party equals instance new. Okay, but I need to go delete this script because I just don't want the black ball to be there. But let's try it. Maybe we should try like 500. Never mind. Let's do probably like 10. There is now 10 parts placed, meaning that the for loop does in fact work. You can name your for loop anything you want. Look, I can literally name it. I can name it this, and it would still work. Why is that? It's because if it looks like a normal word with no anything, because so, there's supposed to be something that has like colorful text. If it doesn't have colorful text, then that means it can be named anything you want. I mean, it doesn't happen all the time, but it happens. Now, I wouldn't recommend taking this advice since you might get confused and you might use the equals and then name it. That would not work. Okay, so just use your brain and base it on what you see. Another important thing that we might need to learn is how to group. This is how you group. We simply select, you basically, like, for example, we can do this group, boom. We have multiple things at once. And if I click ungroup, it ungroups it, literally. It's like a folder. So if I just group, it would make a burger and a rig into one folder, and it can be placed inside a folder, and you don't have to like take them out individually. You just have to click ungroup. Very simple. Another important thing you might need to do is moving this. It might be annoying to see, so you just move it to the corner where the UI might not be spotted. And this can also help if you're trying to know what a Y and an Z and an X is, because you might be confused. So there's clearly a diagram here, making it so that Z goes this way and X goes this way and Y goes up. Clearly stated. Now, that's it for today's video. I know it's kind of short, but please, these are still good information that you need to learn and is completely necessary when you learn how to code. Thank you.